There's Jax. What you doing? And there's Lydia. And there's Fatty McChubbs. And here's our little red boy. Don't worry, buddy, you'll get her home. Where's Carter? Carter, you coming to me, buddy? Don't worry, buddy, you'll get her home too, Mr. No Name. Molly, what you doing? What you doing, Molly? Molly and Jax. Molly, what's the matter? Is it cold out here? That's why you have your jacket on, sweetie. Hey, baby girl Jax. Hey, Molly, come on over here. Molly. Come on over here, Molly. Everybody's over here. Except for Maggie. Maggie's coming up. She's going to sniff you. There's Daddy. Doing his typical hunting thing. What you looking for, Dylan? What you guys doing? You're all right there huddled up. What you doing, Carter? Oh, Lydia, you cold? Lydia, you cold, baby? All right. Time to go in. We've been out a whole 10 minutes. Come this way. Follow my voice. Come on. Come this way. We'll go in. Come on. Good boys. Good girl, Jax. Good boy, Carter. You come right with me. Good boy. Come on, Molly. Molly, come on. Molly, come on, over here. Come on, baby girl. Come on, Lydia. Over here, baby. Here we go. Come on, everybody